Welcome back to the METRC POS tutorial series. In this video, we're going to walk through how to import your products directly from METRC into METRC. This is one of the most powerful features in the system because it eliminates the need to manually enter every product that comes through your door. Whether you're receiving a new shipment from a distributor or you're setting up METRC for the first time and need to bring in your current inventory, we've got you covered. To get started, head over to the purchasing page from the main navigation menu. This is your hub for everything related to incoming product, invoices, distributors, refunds, and activity logs. You'll see summary stats at the top showing your outstanding balance, draft balance, total invoices, unpaid invoices, and anything overdue. The main action we care about today is the green Create Invoice button on the Invoices tab. When you click Create Invoice, you'll notice it's actually a drop-down with 3 options under an Import from METRC header. The first option is From Transfers, which is what you'll use on a day-to-day basis when receiving new shipments. The second is From Active Packages, which is useful for initial setup. And the third is Create Manually, for situations where you need to enter invoice details by hand without pulling from METRC. For this video, we're focusing on that first option, Importing from Transfers. Click From Transfers and the Import from METRC modal will open. The first step is Select Transfers. The system automatically connects to METRC using the API credentials tied to your current location and pulls in all of your incoming transfers. You'll see each transfer listed with the shipper facility name, manifest number, and the date it was received. You can click on any transfer to expand it and preview the packages inside. The system will show you the package tag, product name, quantity, and whether that package has already been imported. This is helpful because it prevents you from accidentally double importing something. Select one or more transfers by checking the box next to each one, then click Next. Once your transfers are selected, the system loads all the packages from those transfers and takes you to the Map Products step. This is where the real magic happens. For each package, METRC checks if the METRC item name has been seen before. If you've previously imported a product with the same METRC item name, the system automatically maps it to that existing product in your catalog. You'll see a green check mark and the matched product name. This auto-mapping saves an enormous amount of time on repeat orders. If a package doesn't have a saved mapping, you can search your existing product catalog to find a match, or you can mark it as a new product. Each package also needs a room assignment, so make sure your rooms are set up under Settings before you start importing. The default room will be pre-selected for you, but you can change it per package if needed. If any packages were marked as new products, you'll get the New Products step. This is where you fill in the details that METRC doesn't provide, things like brand, subcategory, strain, sale price, and SKU. The system pre-fills what it can from the METRC data, including category, THC and CBD content, and quantity. You'll notice a bulk brand input at the top. If all the new products in this shipment are from the same brand, you can type it once and apply it to everything, which is a huge time saver. The strain field has autocomplete built in, so as you type, it will suggest strains from your strain database along with their classification, indica, sativa, hybrid, or CBD. Every new product needs a brand, subcategory, strain, and sale price before you can proceed. Next comes the Invoice Details step. This is where you track the financial side of the shipment. Each package is listed as a line item with its unit cost, quantity, and calculated total. You can adjust the unit cost per line item or use the bulk unit cost option to apply the same cost across all items. The system also supports line item discounts and fees. For example, if your distributor gave you a discount on a specific SKU or charged an additional handling fee. Below the line items, you can add invoice-level discounts, fees, and tax. There's also a notes field for any additional information you want to attach to this invoice. All of these amounts roll up into a clear subtotal, discount, fees, tax, and grand total at the bottom. The final step is Review and Import. Here you'll see a complete summary of everything that's about to happen: how many products will be created, how many packages will be added to inventory, and how many invoices will be generated. You'll also see the Auto Accept Transfer in METRC checkbox, which is enabled by default. When this is checked, the system will automatically accept the transfer on the METRC side as part of the import, so you don't have to go back into METRC and do it separately. Review everything carefully, then click the Import button. The system will create your products, add the inventory packages with their room allocations, generate the invoice with all your cost tracking, and accept the transfer in METRC, all in one operation. When it's done, you'll see a success summary, and your new products and inventory will be immediately available in the POS. One thing worth highlighting is how the system gets smarter over time. Every time you map a METRC item name to a product in your catalog, that mapping is saved. So the next time you receive a shipment with the same products, the Map Products step will already have everything matched up. For dispensaries that order from the same distributors regularly, this means your second, third, and fourth imports go significantly faster than the first. Before we wrap up, a quick note for dispensaries that are switching to WeedHurry from another POS system. If you already have active inventory in METRC and you need to bring those current stock levels into WeedHurry, you can use the From Active Packages option in the same Create Invoice dropdown. This opens the Product Import Wizard, which lets you select from your current active METRC packages and import them with product mapping and room assignments. It's designed specifically for that initial migration, so you can get your existing inventory into the system without having to re-enter everything by hand. Once you're up and running, you'll use the From Transfers flow we just walked through for all your ongoing shipments. That's everything you need to know about importing products from METRC into WeedHurry POS. The transfer import flow handles product creation, inventory tracking, invoice generation, and METRC compliance all in one streamlined process. If you have any questions, reach out to our support team. In the next video, we'll cover managing your inventory and room allocations. Thanks for watching.